welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yaku and I make travel and camping videos here on YouTube. Today, however, is not a camping video. I am at home. I'm sitting here in my lovely soundproof studio with great acoustics, I hope. And I want to make a different type of video today, only my second attempt at this type of thing. Towards the end of last year, I made a video which is popularly known on YouTube as an unboxing video of a product, and then the person will give it a short review and show you some of its features. So I did that and I got some positive feedback, as well as a couple of requests to do it again. So I thought I would give it another try and show you. I will admit, however, that these products that I've got here, they are not brand new. I bought them since the beginning of the year, so it's not a real first unboxing, but if you won't tell, I won't tell. I just want to remind you before I continue, if you like my content, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up. It's good for the YouTube algorithm to get it out to more people. And please remember to comment if you want to find out anything or just would like to chat. I really appreciate comments and I will reply to you. You can also share this video with other people. So go crazy. Okay, so today I'm going to try and do this whole video in one take. I'm going to try not to mess it up or screw it up. So let's start. These products, they are not just for camping and traveling. They are very handy also at home in emergencies or during load shedding. So it's good to have them. I just find them very handy when I go camping. I want to start off with this product. It is a power bank. I bought this at Incredible Connection. The normal price on it was $6.99 and I got it on a special for $4.99. So this is a 30,000 milliamp hour power bank. And I have used this for a while now, and I can confirm that it is very close to, or possibly even 30,000 milliamps. I had another make before, which was a 20,000, but charging my phone like only twice, it was flat. So that definitely wasn't a 20,000 as it was rated. So I took it back and I went and I bought this one. Now with this one I can charge my phone a couple of times, and it is also very handy when I want to use it with my GoPro. For instance, if I want to make a very long time lapse, I can plug this into the GoPro, so it has got external power supply then. Let me take it out of the box and show you. It is a very handy product to charge phones, to charge cameras. Just a good idea to have it on standby in case of emergency. You can also feel it is quite heavy, so that's why I can safely say I think this is a 30,000 milliamp. It's not a 20,000 being marketed as a 30,000. So it's got the ports, two USB-A's, the USB-C for the charge, and the minute that you plug your cable in and into your phone or into your camera, it automatically switches on. You don't need to there's no on and off switch. You don't need to switch it on or off, and it will also switch off automatically once the other battery has been charged fully. So very neat, very handy. I love using this. It goes everywhere with me, especially when I go camping, and I often use it at home, so I can recommend it. As I say, I bought it at Incredible Connection. What is the name? Can't make out the symbol, but yeah, there's the box again, just to show you. A very handy thing to have close by. So that's the first item. Also have a little instruction manual. Doesn't say much. I'm sure everybody knows how to use it. The second item I want to show you is this rechargeable LED light. Now, I bought this one at Pick n Pay. I bought it for $1.99, and I think the normal price is like $2.49 or something like that. It's an 800 lumens rechargeable LED light. They say it can last up to 50 hours if you use only the low setting, or up to 20 hours if you use it on full blast. What I like about this, it's got a charge indicator light. When you start charging it, it lights up red, and when it's fully charged, it goes to a green light. So it shows you it's fully charged. This is what it looks like. And then at the back, you've got your lead that you plug into the wall to charge it. And this battery is a 6-volt battery. So they reckon up to 50 hours if you use it on the low setting. So the low setting is only that one row in the middle, and then full, then they light up all three. So I have used this quite a bit already. I haven't tested the maximum time, but I can assure you it gives me more than sufficient light during load shedding, and it doesn't take that long to charge, and you can take it off charge and keep it until you need to use it in case of emergency. So a very nice handy light to have. It's also got a USB-A plug, so if you need a power bank and you haven't got a dedicated power bank, you can use this one in case of emergency as well to charge a phone or something like that. So that's the second product. Now the third product I only acquired very recently. I've been looking for something like this for a while now, and this product, interestingly enough, it hasn't got any name. It doesn't tell me what the name of this product is. It is a wireless air pump, rechargeable, that you can use to pump up car tires, bike tires, motorbike tires, baseball, soccer balls, whatever the case may be. I bought this one on takealot.com. Normal price is something like 1,600 Rand, but when I bought it, it was on a special again, like 60% off or something, and I got this for just over 600 Rand. I also have been using it or testing it a little bit. I charged it and I tested it on my bike. It comes with this soft pouch that you can put it in, and an instruction manual, which is very difficult to read because it is translated directly from Chinese into English, which isn't very good. but I can tell you it is a 6000 milliamp battery that's in here. Very nicely packed. That's what the charger looks like. And then you get some accessories. I will show you the accessories now. So you can switch it on. It's got nice big letters, and then you set the tire pressure that you want, and you start it. So when it reaches the pressure that you set, it will automatically switch off and stop, so it will not overcharge a tire. But easy to read, easy to use, a bit noisy, but that's to be expected because it's got the little compressor inside. But very nice, 6000 milliamps. It's also got a light. Where's the light switch? We can use it for SOS or just as a flashlight. Emergency, emergency, and off. So the accessories that they include, obviously this one for your tires. You put it on the valve, clamp it down, and then you start pumping. So that goes on there. I think I would have liked a little bit longer piping on this, but really not bad. So if you are next to the road, got a slow puncture, this will definitely pump up your wheel, pump up your tire. As I say, I have used it, and it was actually a little bit faster than I thought it would be. It didn't take very long to pump up the tire. So far I am impressed. I cannot complain. I just need to switch it off quickly. There you go. And then you also get this that you can put into your cigarette lighter in the car, and this then goes in here. So if it runs flat, or if you forgot to charge it, you can also use it like that, which is a very nice feature. You get a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and then these connections are for various applications. You can pump up a air mattress, this will pump up, for instance, an air mattress. And I'm not sure what this fitting is for. This is to pump up a ball, soccer ball or something like that. So you get all of these with and included, which is very handy. And now together with that, I would reckon get something like this, a repair kit. Now this I didn't buy recently. I bought this actually many years ago, just after I bought my motorbike. But it is really important to have with you if you are riding a motorbike specifically. It's a repair kit for tubeless tires. It won't work if you have tubes in your tires. It comes with these CO2 bombs, which inflates. Well, a motorbike tire, no problem. You might need to use like 2 in worst case scenario, but it will get you out of a tricky situation. Then it's also got the the spanner that you need for the plug. The spanner is to ream the hole, to ream it out, and then obviously you have these plugs. I bought a few extras as well that I always keep with me, so I can mend quite a few punctures. So you just put the plug through here, put it into the tire and take it out, and it seals the hole no problem. This little thing you put on the CO2 canister, it screws on top of that, and then you put it onto the valve. But remember not to touch this when you use it, because it gets cold, it gets freezing like instantly. Do not hold it like that. They do have a little I don't know what it is made of, but something that you put over it that you can hold in your hand without freezing your hand to the canister. So I can definitely recommend getting one of these kits. Keep it in your car. Get something like this when you get stuck. Obviously it's not for big cuts that you can get in a pothole or something like that, but if you pick up a screw or something that's causing a slow leak, definitely this will fix it. So I always keep it with me wherever I go, especially with a caravan as well, because then I've got potentially 6 tires that something can go wrong, and I do not want to be stranded next to the road. So these products are just some of the things that I think is necessary when traveling and camping. As I say, I take them along. Not expensive, too expensive, but worth your while to have with you. As I say, you can also use it at home. So yeah, maybe invest in something like this just for a little bit of peace of mind in case of emergency. You can get stuck and you can get out of it without having to sit next to the road, especially after dark. It can be a bit of a problem and maybe a little bit dangerous. So that is basically everything that I have got to say for today in this short video. I will see you again soon when I go camping, hopefully. Just waiting for the weather to get a little bit warmer. This past week we had a very cold week here in Bloemfontein. Last Sunday our maximum temperature was only something like 7 or 8 degrees. We had a cold week, very cold, minuses during night time. -7 I think was the coldest. So not ideal for camping, but I will make a camping video soon. Until then, please enjoy your week ahead. Stay safe, and blessings to all of you. Goodbye.